Hey guys, thanks for joining me again. Um, as you can see, we're going to have, well, you might not be able to see, but another Mo Pitney song, Looks Like Rain. Um, I'm not sure where he's at on this, but I just want to say thanks for joining me and going down this journey. I mean, I love music, uh, but a certain type of music. So let's do this reaction together. Ready? Let's go.
Hey guys, this is Mo Pitney, and I'm going to share a song with you I wrote uh, with Jim Moose Brown and Don Sampson a long time ago, called Looks Like Rain. I don't have to open up my eyes,
Yeah, I like it.
crawl out of bed to raise the many blinds. Looks like rain. Looks like rain. Turn on the TV, a worthless weatherman. Perfect day for all your outdoor plans. Looks like rain. Looks like rain.
Okay, I know I started this or stopped this one soon. Man, this is a great song. It's just one guy, one guitar, one stool, one microphone, and it sounds awesome. Where's all the flashing lights and the fireworks and the flames and the fire and uh why do you need all that when you have this kind of talent? So I don't know, man. It's just me. I'm not putting down anybody else's music at all. Uh, let's go. Let's continue.
Walk out and grab the paper. The neighbor's cutting grass. What's wrong with him? Guess he hasn't heard. As she packed up the blue skies and took it on that plane, and there ain't been no sunshine since she went away. No, that's not a shadow on the ground. That's just a cloud that follows me around. Looks like rain. Looks like rain. I'd love to close up this umbrella, put a pair of Ray-Bans on, and lay down on some beach, 'cause the clouds are gone. But the best that I can hope for is just get through the day, then wake up tomorrow to a lighter shade of gray. Yeah, I know someday the sun will shine again, but right now I'd probably better head back in. Looks like rain. Looks like rain. Looks like rain.
Wow. Yeah. So, sure makes a nice day, doesn't it, when we can just listen to this type of music? I just want to thank y'all for stopping by again. Like I always say, you could have been doing so many other things, yet you took the time to stop by here, and I appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day. And I'll see you on down the road.